Hey, my name is Owen Edwards with Skid Steer Attachment Depot. Today we're going to look at the heavy duty root rake grapple. These grapples come in a 66 inch, a 74 inch, and an 84 inch. The 66 inch weighs 785 pounds. The 74 inch weighs 865 pounds. And then the 84 inch weighs 925 pounds. These have 2 by 10 inch cylinders on the back to protect the grapple from debris. They're rated up for 3,000 psi. On the front, we've got replaceable teeth. They're a Pingo brand weld-on tooth and shank. This grapple opens up about 47 inches wide. And now I'm going to get in this machine and let you guys see it operate.